Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the development of my game engine. I'll be sharing the process step by step, starting with a look at how I'm building a small-scale world simulation. Let's dive in. Next, I want to show you the wind system. To make the world feel alive, I've integrated a dynamic wind simulation. As you can see, the particles, like these dust motes, don't just move randomly. They are reacting to a global wind force in real time. By adjusting the vector direction and adding some noise for turbulence, I'm able to visualize the invisible flow of air. It's a simple but effective way to add immersion to the environment. Finally, regarding the tech stack, I am developing this engine in Java using LWJGL. Currently, I'm utilizing a software-based lighting structure. However, my roadmap includes implementing ray tracing in the future to achieve much more realistic lighting and reflections. It is a challenging journey, but I am committed to pushing the boundaries of this engine. Let's dive in. The wind isn't just an isolated force, it is deeply connected to the atmosphere. You can see the clouds drifting and shifting in real time, responding directly to the wind's intensity. It creates a unified, breathing environment where every element works together. To showcase the engine's capabilities, I've accelerated the day-night cycle for this video. You can also see how the ocean system reacts dynamically to the wind. This simulation is just the first proof of concept for the game engine. As I continue to develop the foundation, you can expect even more detailed features, including our infinite terrain and ocean systems, among other core structures. I will be releasing more in-depth videos soon, so stay tuned. Thank you all for watching and for your support on this journey. Sending my best regards from the LockTrace studio.